Section 7.3, example 3, solving a system of non-linear equations representing a circle and an ellipse. Solve the system of non-linear equations. Okay, so different possibilities. So circle, nice, pretty circle. An ellipse, you guys might refer to it as an oval. An oval is not a real word. Different possibilities is we could have 1, 2, 3, 4 solutions here. We could have one solution. Let's see, could we have 3? Technically we could have 2 solutions. 3 would look like this, so 1, 2, 3. Or we could have an ellipse over here, a circle way over here. So our possibilities are 0 solutions, 1 solution, 2 solutions, 3 solutions, or 4 solutions. Again, so ellipse, circle, we could have a possibility of up to 4 solutions. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's find out. All right, so solving a system of non-linear equations representing a circle and ellipse. Okay, they don't tell us what they want us to use. So let's just use, I don't know, let's use elimination. Let's eliminate our x's. So let's multiply our equation 1 by a -3. Let's just start there, see what we end up getting. So -3 times equation 1, x squared plus y squared is equal to 26 times that -3. -3x squared minus 3y squared is equal to 8, that's 678, -78. Maybe I shouldn't just do that. Let's do 26 times -3. Okay. All right, so that's equation 1. Let's add equation 2. So equation 2, let's actually skip down here a little bit. Equals -78. That's right, equation 2 down. 3x squared plus 25y squared is equal to 100. Okay, adding these two equations together, we eliminate our x. Here we have 22y squared is equal to, so 22. Oh, okay. Divide both sides by 22. We end up with y squared is equal to +1. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, so y squared is equal to +1. When we take the square root of this, we end up with y is equal to ±1. All right, so this gives us 2 separate solutions. So technically we have like, well, technically our y component. Y component is equal to ±1. So we could have something up here and also something down here. So our possibilities are still going to be possibly 4, for sure 2 solution. Actually, no, maybe not for sure 2 solutions, because we might not have a solution for x equals negative or x equals positive or -1. We'll see. Let's be lazy and use equation 1. So that was our x squared plus y squared equals 26. X squared plus y squared equals 26. And we have 2 solutions that we're going to look for. Do we have it up from here? Let's bring it up here. So we'll do for y equals +1, or y equal to 1. And we also have to look for when y is -1. All right. X squared plus y squared equals 26. X squared plus 1 squared equals 26. X squared plus 1 equals 26. Subtract 1 from both sides. X squared is equal to 25. And when we take the square root, we have x is equal to plus or minus 5. Okay, so when y is 1, we have x is equal to plus or minus 5. So this gives us two solutions. So we have when x is 5, y is 1. And also when x is -5, y is also 1. So again, we have x is 1. I'm sorry, y is 1. So we have 1 here, but we have two x solutions. So we have to give those two different possibilities. I have a feeling something similar is going to happen over here for y equals -1. Let's try for y equaling -1. We have x squared plus y squared equals 26. X squared plus y, we said was -1 this time. 26. X squared, -1 squared is going to be a +1. And it kind of looks very similar. X squared is equal to 25. We take the square root of both sides. X squared is equal to plus or minus 5. And it's not x squared. It should just be x. We just did the action of the square root. All right. So this gave us another two solutions. So here, when x is +5, y is -1. And also when x is -5, y is -1. So we have four solutions to the system of equations. So we do have that very first initial, doesn't have to even technically be like that. It could be something like this. Possibility, actually, no, possibilities aren't endless, but they're pretty finite. No, possibilities are endless. I'm sorry. Going off on a rant. All right. 5, 1, -5, 1, 5, -1, -5, -1. So these are all the solutions to that system of equations. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.